No, first, why you first field? It should be always a serial. We should not change the first field. External code.
Right. And when I was trying to save it, it was giving message, error message. Then I had to change it. Then only. Yeah, here valid value source. I'm not able to, like, I didn't get it from where and how I can get it.
Okay. No, first field you should keep as it is. You can change as a any serial number or anything. Okay. So don't. It should be always external code. And next one is external name. Where is the user field? User field is not here, right?
I have created few, but I think the date formatting is different. I was trying to create UI also, but not successful.
A serial number, username. Next you can put as a user. User value sources is not required for users. Okay. Editable. It will be employee name.
Okay. Yeah, we can do it.
Employee name. Okay. Done. Start date. Okay. Yes. Now start date field. You have mentioned the two city.
This was yeah.
It's not correct.
Hmm.
Travel date. Okay.
This thing I messed up. I realized it yesterday only,
Hmm.
but I could not get it. Could not done
Travel
it.
date. Custom date of travel. Okay. Here. This is a travel date you have mentioned. Okay.
Hmm. I have created one rule also, like if the base location is Lucknow, then from city, travel from city should be Lucknow only.
Date. Hmm. This is not required. Okay. Custom date. Travel date is already there. So date of travel is not required. Return date. For date field, you need to mention the
Date.
data type as a date.
Hmm.
Bills. Okay. Bills means it is attachment, right? You
Bills,
need
yes.
to as an attachment.
Hmm. In that system, I have created like nicely, but that part only was remaining.
Yeah. Okay. Here bills upload attachment. Okay. And from city to city not created, right?
I have created, but not sure where it's on.
So you have also created the pick list.
Pick list, no. Okay, so in pick list, we need to give the locations.
Yeah, pick list center first we need to create the locations. Or you can also get the locations from foundation objects. But not here we are
That
not
part.
using all the yeah. For
That
that
part
you
I
need
didn't
to.
get it. Pick list is okay, but that part I did not get it. Can you please tell me that thing?
You just need to copy, import and export corporate data model. This is not actually this is simple only. You just need to copy the external code of the location. Right. Export.
What was that command? Export, import, corporate data model.
Right.
From there, I will need to download it and copy it.
You export the corporate data model and open it in Notepad XML editor. Notepad plus plus is fine. So once you open it in the XML editor, it will come like this. Okay.
Hmm. Okay. ये मुझे नहीं I was not getting this.
Yeah, you just need to copy the what is the HR LMS element ID of the location group. This is the external code. Okay, location. You can just remember this also. Don't need to export and import the data model. So how what is the code here? Just copy that location. There is no capital L, only small L is there. So just and go to the configure object definitions under valid value sources.
Mm. We need to paste that.
There is that custom location is there, not there. You need to select as the valid value sources as a foundation object. Data type, the foundation object.
Oh,
Okay. And valid value sources is location. That's it. This is the code which is maintained in the corporate data model. Okay. Small L and location. Just need to copy it and enter it here. Okay. And the next one, let's change the label.
mm.
Location, traveling from. It's mandatory field. Save it. Similarly, here, travel to. Again, data type, you need to select it data type as foundation object. Enter the valid value source as the location. Change the label, traveling to. Done. And foundation object is completed and department field is not created. Right? Department field you can create department, employee department.
And the base location also, because I have written a rule.
Okay.
I tried.
Uh, Details. Select this data type here. You need for the generic department is a generic object. That is MDF object, right? So you need to select data type as a generic object.
Mm-hmm. Confusing. That's just the
Foundation object is data model. Okay.
mm-hmm.
Generic object means MDF objects which are part of MDF. So you can go and go to configure object definitions. Okay.
Because it is a generic object, that's why we are coming here
Yeah,
and
right.
taking
Right.
the external code.
Yes. Copies. Okay, department. Done.
Okay, let's make a start. Right, and the first thing that is on the agenda is obviously
Department. So which field you said it's a base location,
Base
right?
base location.
I think I have removed it. Joining date, user date. Okay.
discuss Amy and himself that you do a cleanup on the authorizations and permissions.
There is no role assigned as well.
No.
That we just need
How it got removed? Yesterday only I have created.
A service request raised.
This one?
Yes. Yes.
Authorization issue with the payslip, or is this different issue? Sorry. No, this is across the board. So we want to have a cleanup of authorizations within 12. Authorization. Okay. Authorization. Okay. Do you have a list to attach again? I will send you an email with some detail. Okay. Yeah, I understand. Sorry. Client central, right? That's correct.
Location. Again.
Okay. Back to you, Srikant. Have you found anything?
Second.
Aradhya?
Right? Anything from anyone else?
So you need to write the rule again once again because I changed the this base location field.
Okay.
But this rule won't work here because it should not be initial rule, right? The defaulting rule. So you need to assign this rule under here.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Means okay. If the location is, for example, Lucknow, from base location is Lucknow, then I need to create the rule in under base location field itself.
Correct. So you are
Okay.
you want to default the base location in the travel from location, right? Base location
No,
should be equal to travel from location.
no. What I'm trying to say, I don't know if it is valid or not, but I was trying to do, like, for example, if employee base location is, sorry, if employee is traveling from Lucknow, or the base location is Lucknow, so he's traveling from city should be Lucknow.
Yeah, that's what you have written here, right? Look,
Mm-hmm.
Lucknow.
Yeah. Means the employee should not be allowed to travel from another location. Just like that I created.
Yeah, that's
And
what
also
you
the
need to assign
employees.
the you need to assign that role under the base location field details. Okay.
Okay,
Under
and then what
rules
about
criteria.
the traveling from field? Do I
That,
need to do there anything also?
no.
Okay.
Okay. From location to location is done. Generic object is done. Foundation object is location is completed. User start date, return date, attachment. So you need to keep all these fields in one order so you can scroll up, move these fields from top to bottom. Serial number, employee name is employee name. Serial number, yeah, employee name, start date, return date, and this one not required.
And one more thing I want to do, if I want to do like default the employee location from his job assignment, or
Hmm.
to this base location field.
That is you need to write under initialization rule. That you need to default the value from job information. Then you can assign under initiation rule. Okay. Set the base location to be equal to job information location. Right.
Okay.
base location, travel from location, custom attachments. Okay, traveling from travel to. Okay. Last one is a generic object department. Employee, user, start date, return date, base location, yeah, department, traveling from to traveling, and attachment, comments also. We can add one more box as a comments. And details, you can select this one as a clock. Data
Hmm.
type is a clock.
Text field.
Comments. Save it now. You can delete it. Okay. Save. Cost travel from is prefixed automatically with cost by the system. Okay.
हाँ ये क्या है यही एरर आ रहा था yesterday also it was the same error. There should be no space in the name.
Yeah, in the code. Where is the code here? No, this is the label.
First name, हाँ name here. Travel from.
Yeah.
There is a space.
Done. Yeah, now go to manage data. Travel request. Travel request. Here, employee serial number, employee name, travel date, date of return, base location, employee department, traveling to an attachment and comments. So when if you want to default the base location of any employee, then you need to write a rule based on this employee name field because you are querying based upon the employee. So employee name, write a rule. Okay.
Why we are choosing employee name?
So whenever you based upon the employee only, right, the location should be defaulted.
Okay. Okay.
The travel location. The base object is travel. Purpose is defaulting values. Okay. Initialize.
Okay. Mhm.
So if employee name is not equal to null, the employee name is not equal to null, then set. So we are setting the base location from the job information. Set the base location equal to employee name. Where is the job information?
Job
location.
information. Location, okay.
Okay, save. Now assign this rule here. Why it is not showing? Right? It will show here, I think. Yeah, it is showing here. But this won't work. Okay, this is not right. You need to delete it. Delete the rule.
Hmm. Okay.
I'm writing once again. Okay, and default. Don't select. I think we need to select different one. Evaluate. Onload. Select evaluate.
Okay.
If employee name not equal to null, then set employee name. Sorry, base location
Base location. Job.
to be equal to employee name, job information, location. Save. Yeah, now it is coming. Travel location default.
So we did evaluate.
Right.
Now, whoever employee will be there, his job location will be the base location. Okay.
Right. Then now client select.
Shikhan, one more question I have, like it might be a stupid one. If
Mhm.
same name is there for two employees, how to find them? Like there is no employee number concept to search with.
My employee number, all employees will appear here, right? Even there are two employees, so all employees will
No,
appear
okay.
here.
Okay, your user ID will be unique, है ना?
Yeah. Yeah, Alex, everyone will appear.
Okay.
In a base location is appearing by default.
Hmm.
Mexico,
Mexico.
London.
Hmm.
Yeah. And data of return, data of travel, data of return, you can enter manually. Okay, data of return 25. Department also you can write a rule, okay, based upon the employee name. If employee name is not equal to null, then
Hmm. Job
set the
information.
job information department.
Okay.
Traveling from location and traveling to location comments, and I think there is no workflow attached here. Yeah, workflow is attached, right? Yeah.
Manager. Marketing or
some
HR would be there.
departments. I'm entering some department randomly and traveling from Bangalore to Hyderabad or something. Is no Hyderabad. Okay. No cities, so I'm entering some location. Okay. Everything is filled, then you can check if the workflow is triggered. Workflow is triggering, it is going to approval to Charles. Is the manager of the employee.
Okay.
But you can write a rule to default department from employee job
Okay.
information.
All right. I will do it.
Okay. Yeah. Any questions on this? The configure object definitions. Okay. Foundation object, you just need to get the code of the location. Not only location foundation object, if any foundation object, you can get the code from corporate data model for location or geo zone or anything.
Right. Got it.
And for generic object, you can get it from configure object definitions. Enter the like department, business unit, anything. You can get it from configure object
Yes.
definition to object external code. And if it
Yes.
is a pick list value, then you just need to change the data type as a pick list and enter
And
the
create a pick list.
pick list ID here, whichever the pick list you created.
Yes. Got
Now we have the created this definition, configure object definition, object is created. Okay. So we need to create one UI for this object. Okay, go to the manage configuration UI. Manage configuration UI. Okay, get the code of this custom travel request. Copy the code of this object. Okay, create a new.
Yes.
Enter the ID of the select the base object. What is the base object here? We are creating for custom travel request. So enter that object here. Yeah, here it will come here. Okay, and you just enter the UI ID. Okay.
You need what we are
UI.
going to create with.
Right.
Okay.
This is the ID of this UI, which below all fields. Okay. Here you can also create sections also if required. Okay. Add a group. Add a group. Input.
I was able to change the alignment only, nothing else. The bold and this thing.
Employee details. Yeah. Employee details. You need to create the click on a group and just input details as employee details.
Means is it always employee details?
No, it is a section. It is not an employee. You can give any name.
Okay.
What is the section? Yeah, group of people
Mm-hmm.
you are creating. You can provide that name.
Okay. Under that section, we need to assign fields.
Draft.
Okay.
Yeah, please. Why it is not appearing? Edit properties. Alignment center. Okay, title here you can mention. Sorry, here you can mention the title. Employee details. Okay. Display options, you can change any options. If you, it will be always better to have a form type because it is only form. Chart and string not required. Okay. Title style also you can change the body text, title large or small, bold, italic. Add a field. Add a field, you can edit here and user defined field or resolver. Okay. Show
Resolver.
label.
Okay.
If you select the resolver, then it will provide you the details here. The fields
We are
from
not
the from the base object.
what we have created. No.
Yeah.
Traveling from also. Okay. ID created by. Do we have these many fields here? No.
Which one?
We have created these many fields there.
No, these are backend fields. ID
Backend
created
fields.
by last
Okay.
modifier. These all are the backend fields.
Okay.
Okay. Employee name, travel date, date of return. These are the fields which we have created up to attachment and end date. End date is also backend field only.
Okay. So
So if
whatever
you want to
field.
group, yeah, whatever the if you want to create a field which is the part of base object, then you have to select the value type as a resolver.
Resolver. Okay.
If you select user defined, then you can mention the defined value type of user defined. Okay, label override. But there is
Okay.
not required. You can just click a resolver and select the field employee name. Okay. Okay. So
Okay.
this one is a part of employee name. This is the field employee name. Employee name. Okay, here you can delete the field.
Okay.
Okay, and edit. Okay, and the department base location department also I want to move it here, but it is not possible to drag and drop. Yeah, it is coming now. Okay. Okay, date of department. Yeah, department. Okay. Now these fields are one group,
Okay.
and this is one group.
Okay. How to change like this, divide in the section, half and half?
No, I just created a group, right?
Ah,
I have
yes.
created one group here and labeled it group as a employee details.
Employee details, yes.
Under this group, I have moved these fields from top to bottom.
Correct.
This is now it is one group.
Hmm.
Okay. Now we can also change this also. If it is not required, then you can delete it from here. But
Okay.
remember, if the field is mandatory, this field is mandatory because, right, star mark, whatever the star mark, red star mark fields are there, these are mandatory.
Mandatory
If you
and
remove
required.
these fields, then system will throw an error when you are saving it in the front end. Okay, I will create it and save. Now copy this UI field. Okay, copy the ID of this UI we have created and go to configure object definitions. You assign the
One
UI
thing.
ID here. Yeah,
Default screen. Correct. The UI we have created, it will look like this only, what we have created, right?
right. Now we go to manage data, then you will understand the changes, whatever the changes we have done. Go to manage data. Create a travel request. The details section is changed.
Right. So I want to ask like how to divide it like in a tabular format. 4 fields here, 4 field in front after is separate. Means 4 section
I have
in a
created a
stream.
group, right? Now here only I have created one group. You need to
So
add a group. First one, you add a group.
Okay.
And
Different group we need to make.
yeah, you
Okay.
need to make create all different groups. You can just click on add a group and title it, change the title of the group. And under the group, this is the group title. Employee details can see
Mm-hmm.
this is the group title.
Right. So means the alignment will set this
Yeah, right.
left or right, left or right. Okay. Okay. I'll try that one.
But if you save this now, it will throw an error because there is the serial number is not there. Okay.
Hmm.
Employee name, Alejandro something. Okay. Department, I'm taking some role. Department, now save it. Okay. Yeah, it is working. Okay. Submit. See. Serial number is a required field association in a custom travel request.
Because it was mandatory.
Mandatory field. So
Hmm.
if the mandatory field is removed from the UI, so that will be not visible in the front end. So you need to
Okay.
make sure that mandatory fields are not removed. Okay.
Okay.
Add a field, resolver,
Resolve serial number.
serial number. Label, you can serial number.
These are the portlets, है ना?
Fields. These are the fields.
No.
And
This
this is the
all
one portlet which will be
UI.
assigned to the
Okay.
employee. Yeah.
Okay.
I want to change this type. What happened? All multiple fields are appearing. I think I made some changes. Okay. Double are coming, right?
Employee name. Yes. Copy it twice, thrice. Okay, no problem. I will sort them. I will try to sort it.
Okay. Okay. Yes. And once this is done, then we can see tomorrow how assigning this to employee profile and creating of people profile.
Okay.
How to assign this in the people profile and providing permissions to the people profile.
Okay. For after creating this UI, we need to assign it to
People profile.
people profile. Oh, no, UI we have assigned somewhere now, Abhi?
That is in configure object definitions here. So this is a link,
To the
right?
object
There
only.
should be one link. Yeah. This UI is linked to one object. That is travel request.
Assigned to the created object और फिर उसको after that we need to assign it to in people profile
Right.
and then it will be visible on the portal.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
And tomorrow we can complete this and we can start another topic. Okay.
Okay.
Alerts and
Shrikant.
notifications we can start. Yeah.
Okay. And what else is remaining?
And alerts and notifications and importing the employee data. Importing employee data is like I will just provide the concept. Okay. How to import the data migration, how the data migration will be happen in real time.
Okay.
And alerts and notifications are remaining. And if you have any questions, then we can discuss the questions. And RBP, we have completed, right? RBP is completed.
Yes.
So you need to create, can create the different types of roles or groups. and provide permissions to each role. And also we will also see the hiring one more employees and see the transactions, the real time transactions and the compensation portlet, pay components.
Okay.